Good morning. It is 8:30. We just got to the property. Currently here, we spoke with the client about 5 minutes ago. Our vehicles are parked here. We hit one of those lines that we told the client we're gonna go ahead and fix. We have our plumbers. Customer called saying that they have a leak. There is major construction going on the other side. The client found this leak right here. It is connected to the actual fountains right over there. Clients told us to just go ahead and repair that leak right there that is connected to those fountains. As you can see, they were turned on. What we're gonna do today is, we spoke with the clients, we're just gonna test everything that's visible and applicable that's not below water, meaning that we're gonna test the skimmer line, we're gonna test the autofill, and we're gonna be able to just test the spa. Anything else like the drainage or the heads, unfortunately we cannot touch, due to the water needs to be drained for us to even go down there and plug it up. Client was concerned that our report was going to give an evaluation of if this construction was the problem. Unfortunately, there's no way for that to happen, the ground shift, and he needs to have an engineer for that. But we're going to be able to fix this leak right here and be able to test everything else right here. Plumber's barely still starting the job. I'm going to do an evaluation on the pool equipment heater right here. I believe this has to be the fountain pump. Yep, that's the fountain pump. Jet pump right here. And then the filter pump. Then I'm going to go ahead and turn on everything to see what was leaking here and what was not. I just started out the pools about a minute ago. Things that we saw right away. Filter has a hairline crack right there. Checking the pump at the moment, doesn't seem to have any leaks. Anything over here, everything's good. Let's check any leaks down here. There was a sign of leakage a little bit there. On this pump, this is actually the jet pump right here. There's a leakage right here. Take a look at the pump now. There's some wetness, probably because of this leak. As you can see, some wetness here. We're still starting our evaluation at the moment, and the thing that we did notice is the heads on the pool, they're not working. So you can see they're not rotating. They're not rotating. Pool is super dirty, meaning the heads hasn't been working in a while. Lastly but not least, the actuators, they're not rotating. They have it in off position. So this actuator wasn't working and this actuator wasn't working. And then this pump right here is also leaking from there. Customer has home warranty, so I think that's how they do their repairs at the moment. Just a couple of things that we like to point out before we even start touching the pool equipment. All set. We're done with the job. We did the diagnostics on the things that we were able to test. Pumps currently running, filter pump, the two aux. All three pumps are running. This one, loud motor, jets running. We had to replumb this. Seals are leaking. And then everything's running well over there. Fountains are running. Pool's running. Jets are running. No leak anymore also here. This was the area that we did the leak. So we're all set. Customer satisfied.